Yo, what's up guys? Good morning from Kuwait. Today we're gonna take a road trip. That's why, you know, we gotta fill up at the gas and we gotta fill up on the snacks, and we're about to go to the farm. All right, ready to go farm, kids?
Yeah!
Let's go.
Is here!
Wow.
We are gonna go on a road trip. I got this.
Dorito Stacks Ultimate Cheese.
I got this for Jazzy, for Jacob, for Joshi. You know, our driver needs all that sugar. We are on our way to Albohayra farm. It's 120 what?
It's 127 kilometers to get there, and it's gonna take 1 hour and 30 minutes. And we're gonna go on top of the 4th largest bridge in the world.
The name is Sheikh Jabir Causeway Bridge. It's named after the late Sheikh Jabir Al-Sabah.
So we came to the farm early and we were looking around for stuff to do, and look, we found a farmer's market. Let's go. They got the pumpkins right there.
I got some kale. One like this is 250 pills.
Somewhere else.
Off to the farm.
Welcome to the farm! Here we go! Right now we are at Albohayra farm here in Abdali. Broccoli field. Thank you.
Are you tired?
Yeah. Welcome to Albohayra farm. This is the market section. I think this is like the only 2 sections that's open, the market and something else, but a lot of things. Yes, made in Kuwait. In style. Oh, this is good tomato. Like 2 like this is half kg. Baby cucumber.
It's sweet and spicy, you know?
Okay. Where's the best seller here? Oh, Bali.
This is better.
Oh, everything with Bali is best seller.
Yeah.
Hot chili honey. Oh, honey. Got the goods. Welcome to the flower section. Welcome. This is the nursery. I got mint.
Alright guys, we're done with the farm. It was fun. We fed some animals, we picked up some local snacks, and we saw some flowers and we saw the umbrellas. All in all, it was a good day. We'll see you guys next week. Back in Kuwait. Peace.
Who needs a Vuitton if you have a bayong? Ayaw! Ang tinita!
He said nope.